What is up, fellow insider? I've got something really special for you today. I was out on a walk and I'm literally thinking about my fellow vets, okay? I just created a brand new secret blueprint that I call the SEM method framework, okay? It has been tested and implemented by over 25,000 veterans, okay? To create financial freedom and security for you and your family through your VA disability benefits, okay? And by the way, these secret methods, they work regardless of age, regardless of income, regardless of experience, regardless of your current VA rating. I can literally guarantee you that you are going to learn something new in this framework that you don't already know that can help you move forward, okay? And by the way, I've never released this guide before. It is the compilation of my life's work, y'all. Why God put me here on this earth to serve veterans just like you, to give you hope, to help you celebrate life change. And this brand new free guide, I'm literally releasing it. It's 10,000 hours of study and research and methods that work, okay? You can learn how to win your VA claim fast if you're stuck. You'll learn how to increase your VA rating. You're gonna learn how to add extra tax-free compensation and income every single month for the rest of your life for you and your family, okay? And by the way, how do you get this guide? Well, there's a few ways. The first thing you can do is you can look below. All right, there should be a banner in this video. The SEM method, okay, .com. Just go to that link, enter your email address, and your 100% free guide will be sent to you quickly, okay? The other thing you can do is look in the description of this video. You'll also find it there of how you can download this free guide, okay? Literally, this has the power to change you and your family's life forever. I can't wait to get it in your hands. I can't wait to hear your feedback of how much you love it. Please email me. It's crazy, y'all. It's crazy how this all came together. I'm so excited to give it to you. Again, look below. You'll see the link in the banner. You can also look in this video description for your free download, the SEM Blueprint Method. Talk soon, y'all. I love you.